Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rupal from Sugar Poetry Bakes. Come, let's make this cute baby shower cake together. ये ऑर्डर मेरी एक रेगुलर क्लाइंट का था एंड वो जनरली अपने केक्स मुझसे ही मंगाते हैं एंड आई बीन बेकिंग केक्स फॉर हर सिंस द डे आई स्टार्टेड बेकिंग. सो दिस वाज अ स्वीट लिटिल प्रिविलेज फॉर मी कि उनके बेबी शावर का भी केक आई वाज मेकिंग. नाउ इस केक में शी वांटेड कि उनका जो इनविटेशन कार्ड है दैट आई रेप्लिकेट और समहाउ टेक सम एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम दैट कार्ड एंड पुट इट ऑन द केक. So उनके कार्ड में because of privacy reasons I won't be sharing the card here, but just to give you an idea, basically it was a very pastel and very cute happy vibe वाला card जिसमें in the center there was a message and border में there were some flowers and some leaves and top left पे there was a bird, a sparrow, right side में there was a bunny, pink bunny and बॉटम लेफ्ट पे एक ऑरेंज बेयर था. नाउ इन वाइट पे तो द कलर्स वर लाइक अ वाटर पेंट काइंड ऑफ इफेक्ट एंड इट वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट टू रेप्लिकेट दैट ऑन स्मूथ सर्फेस ऑफ द फिगरीन्स, but I took up the challenge. I told her I'll be making all these elements of the cake and इनको मैं fondant से ही 3D look दूँगी. I was really skeptical about the bird though because उसके wings बनाना I thought that I won't be able to, but I really wanted to give it a try and I think that was the best element out of all. Now this was a huge cake and मुझसे इसमें कुछ mistakes भी हुई थी because of which I ended up redoing everything which was crumb coating and the baking part. I'll tell you why. So as you see इसमें जो structure में मैंने boards and pipes use कर रहे हैं, for some reason in the first go I missed on those. I was just going with the flow and उस excitement में probably I just forgot कि ये structure में use करना है and it ended up spilling down on me and I had to re-bake the sponges and redo the crumb coating all over again. Cake का flavor was also different, which was chocolate base, white chocolate ganache and vanilla frosting. So now we are done with the final frosting as well, which was in off-white color. इसके बाद I'm adding the elements. सबसे पहले I added the orange bear as I mentioned earlier, the pink bunny on the right and top left पे I added the sparrow, जिसका paint if you look carefully I did each and every detail and tried to give it as many shades as possible from the card as reference. Then I added some artificial elements in white, yellow, golden as requested by the customer and this is the final look of the cake. Customer को cake बहुत ज़्यादा tasty लगा. 2 different people from the same family texted me about the taste. I hope you like it too. Do let me know in the comment section. Till then, like, share and subscribe and follow for more.